this video tutorial, we will see how to print number right angle triangle pattern. Let's move to Visual Studio Code and execute this pattern. We can see here the numbers are aligned in the right side. The numbers are gradually decreasing line by line from 5 to 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and every number is separated with a space character. Let's type code to print this pattern. Declare and initialize a variable with 0. We are going to use while loop here while I less than 5, and at the end of every iteration we are going to increase I value by 1. So our I value will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. At the end of fifth iteration, I value will become 5, 5 less than 5, condition false, and our iteration is going to stop here. So let's print the result. Print 5 minus I plus space character. So 5 minus I is going to print 5 and a space character in the first line. Then I value will become 1, 5 minus 1, 4, 4 in the second line, then 3, then 2 and 1. Here, the 5 minus I is a number type which is int. We need to concatenate it with string to avoid type errors. Now here, numbers are gradually increasing in the range of 1, line by line. So in the first line, 1 number, then 2 number, then 3 number, then 4 number and 5 number. The decrement we can achieve by adding 1 into I. So save the file and run pytriangle.py file in the terminal. We can see here we are able to print the required result. In the next video tutorial, we will see another type of number right angle triangle pattern.